no other than Bihay Dennis. Palakpakan po natin! Thank you for inviting me tonight. As you well know, and I don't know why I'm here, but this is all because of Father Mark, you know.
Yes, Bihay.
So, I was imported from Pampanga, Abela, Pampanga, you know. So, tonight, I will be your host. Not a singing host, not like a saying host, not like a guessing host, but a dancing host. Orchestra, can you give me one cha-cha, please? I think the orchestra is having difficulty, huh? Okay. Now, okay, before I make my number, can I invite all the goldies? Okay? Those who are 50 years and above. Golden up to diamond. 50 up to 75. Can you please stand up, please? Come on, this is a party, come on! Can you please stand up, please? Come on, don't be shy. And you need to follow me, okay? Come on, come on. Hey, come on. Don't take me like a fool here, come on. People up, please. Stand up and let's go in the front, come on. Those who want to dance. Yeah, come on, come on. Join me. We will have great dancing. Come on, come on. See, I see them. In the back. Dance. I invite you to dance. Come on. Now I know there's a lot of seniors here, huh? They don't want to admit that they're 50, huh? Come on. Okay. Okay, the step goes like this. It's very simple. Okay? You know cha-cha? Cha-cha, you know, okay. Okay. You step forward like this, then step backward. Okay? Then, okay, as a finale, you do like this. Okay. Okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! One more time. You join the beat, okay? 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, good. One more time. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Yeah, there's like a pause like that. Okay, one more. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Pause. Then pause. Then jump. Okay, good. Okay. You know, we also celebrate the death anniversary of Michael Jackson. You know that? Today we celebrate also the death anniversary of Michael Jackson. And you know what is the most important step that Michael Jackson introduced to this world? It's the moonwalk. You know the moonwalk? In Las Piñas? Moonwalk. Okay? Heavy traffic. Okay. It's like this. Okay. One more time. The moonwalk. See? Very simple. Okay. Let's do it, okay? But there's a problem. The music is not Michael Jackson, huh? Okay. Let's do the best out of it, okay? Okay. Okay, ready, set, go! Okay, another one. Ready, set, go! Okay, good! This is going to be very difficult, huh? Okay, now, nice one. Okay. There is one special step that is very important, very memorable to Father Mark. Okay? This step is very memorable to Father Mark. I don't know if you know the story behind this step, but I'll make sure that you would know after this step. Okay? We call it the pink clock step. Okay? The pink clock step. Okay, pink as in blue, yellow, red, pink. Clock as in watch. Seiko, citizen, you know watch? Okay. Pink clock. Now I will tell you the story behind that later, okay? If you really want to know the story, you just approach me. Or maybe Kapepe. Kapepe is very knowledgeable in this, okay? So the pink clock goes like this. Okay. Okay. Everybody stand up. Okay. Ready? Let's do the pink clock dance.